before we're done. I think we should put more Parmesan. More Parmesan? Half a container. Can you see the pepper in it? Yeah. Need more pepper. Just so you can see it. Let me taste it. Yeah, can taste it. It's good. And did you want any seasoning in the breadcrumbs? No. All the seasoning's in here. And now we want egg whites, but we want egg whites in a bowl, right?
Yeah.
Right?
That's why
So we need a
that's why I got the bowl.
need another bowl. For
That's
egg
Mom's.
Mom's bowl? We'll wash it afterwards.
Mom's.
Oh, we're going there, so we gotta get in the breadcrumbs, can we put shredded Parmesan in it? Will it
It won't
stick?
stick.
It won't stick, are you sure?
Yes. You're overthinking everything.
Oh, I just want this to be done.
You know how to separate them.
No, I don't know how to separate the yolks. Well, here you go. What do you want me to do? Hold it. You want me to hold it? That doesn't fit right on the pan, does it? No, it doesn't. Oh, hold on, it's dirty. There you go. Where are you going to put the egg yolk?
You did it. You're gonna
Break it?
flush it out.
Oh, hold on there. There you go.
How many?
Oh, shit. Half dozen.
I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so. It goes a long way.
It goes away? What, so...
Do you add water to it?
I don't know. Do you?
I usually
No.
do when I do my omelet.
Do you? Okay, a little bit of water. There's... Let's do 4. It's gonna be a little different, right? Let's do 4.
I'm using all my baking eggs.
No, there's another dozen in there.
No, they're not large. Those are small eggs.
We can go to the
And
store and
choppers.
get some more. You have to go out today. It's not like we live in the wilderness or anything. Is that enough? A little bit of water? Did you want that paper on the cookie sheets? So I have more in there, but they're kind of shredded because of shucking. These are all the nice ones.
Oh dear.
Are you a little bit aggressive with your, you know? Are you a little bit aggressive? Huh? Try not to be so aggressive. Let's make it last a little bit. Okay, is that good? Did you want that,
What is it?
it's under the sink, I took that. Parchment paper? Is it parchment paper?
Yes.
Where is it?
It's your word always out there.
Oh, that's a brand new one. That's tinfoil. There we go. I know what's happening. Is there a right side and a wrong side to this?
No. So how does it go? Flour mixture first?
flour, egg whites, egg, yeah. So, are they, so do you want to put them in a bag and shake them up, or just in here and stir them around? Jeez. Okay, let's stop there. It's the bowl's full. Do you want tongs or anything? Do you want the cookie sheets to be closer?
Are you helping?
I'm watching it, apparently. Can't you tell? I'm watching. I'm a watcher. We can stack them and then freeze them, and then they're all ready for Christmas. Or what?
We have to bag them.
Well, when they're frozen, we bag them. Oh, nice. And that's just breadcrumbs that we got at the bakery. Did we get enough?
Still more.
Was there more? Shit. We could have bought a bowl of bread for that price. Wait, $3.99. $3.99.
We could have made our own.
Oh, how could we make our own?
Bread in the oven.
We don't buy normal bread. Huh? How the hell is that going to work?
You're not helping?
No, I'm watching. Do you not notice? I'm just watching.
Why are you not helping?
Huh? No, because there's only in a room enough for one person in your kitchen. Set them up so they're nice. So with the ones that were all screwed up, can we make like strips or anything like that? Or like you get them clam strips in that. I don't know what I had to laugh because the buddy there said he was getting all kinds of pearls in his oysters, but I don't think he was cleaning them very well because we rinsed these after shucking them. We probably rinsed them about 3-4 times at the cabin, and then brought them here. And when I rinsed them, you wouldn't believe the shells and rocks that came onto them still. Oh, you're so aggressive. Oh, these are going to be nice at Christmas time.
No problem, I'll get it.
You got icky? Are they icky? Your hands are icky. Chris is out there in the rain working on that truck. You just don't hear it. Was he? This is his recipe.
Oh.
This is what he told me to do.
Oh. He probably has cracker from it.
I don't know.
Or he'll make his own.
Are we done? And then I just took it.
Oh, you're slacking over here.
Am I? No, we'll keep a couple off while we have it. Ankle? Where is it? That much for Christmas. That's enough. Maybe. You waiting for oysters? You want some oysters, don't you? Yeah, I like oysters, Scott. Here they are here.